शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि। सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्। अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु। तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। मंत्र 11 of Khanda 3.
11? 22. 22.
22.
Nine.
This is done.
Okay, okay.
अथ वायुमब्रुवन्, वायु has come and gone already.
11.
So mantra 11. अथेन्द्रमब्रुवन्
अथेन्द्रमब्रुवन्
मघवन्
मघवन्
एतद्विजानीहि
एतद्विजानीहि
किमेतद्यक्षमिति
किमेतद्यक्षमिति
तथेति
तथेति
तदभ्यद्रवत्
तदभ्यद्रवत्
तस्मात् तिरोदधे अथ इंद्रम अब्रुवन्। अथ then after Agni and Vayu failed, Indram Abruvan, they told Indra, Maghavan, he Maghavan, O Indra. Maghavan is a word for Indra, vocative singular. हे मघवन, ओ मघवन, एतद्विजानीहि, know this, find this out. किमेतद्यक्षमिति, what this yaksha is. Then Indra said, tatheti, tatha iti. Indra said, let it be so. Tadabhyadravat, Indra went near yaksha. Tat yaksham abhyadravat, approached yaksha. Then yaksha tasmat tirodadhe, yaksha disappeared from him. Tasmat tirodadhe, yaksha disappeared from Indra. Then next mantra सह तस्मिन्नेवाकाशे
सह तस्मिन्नेवाकाशे
स्त्रियमाजगाम
स्त्रियमाजगाम बहुशोभमानाम्
उमां
उमां
हैमवतीं
हैमवतीं
तां होवाच किमेतद्यक्षमिति
किमेतद्यक्षमिति
सः तस्मिन्नेव आकाशे स्त्रियम् आजगाम. So Indra stood there when Yaksha disappeared. Indra did not return. Instead he stood there, and then in the same place he came across a stree, a woman. सह तस्मिन् एव आकाशे. Here Bhashyakara says we should supply the word tasthau. सह तस्मिन् एव आकाशे tasthau. Tasthau means he stood there. Tasthau means sthitavan. He stood there. Tasminneva akashe, in the same place where he met Yaksha and where Yaksha disappeared. Then saha striyam ajagama. So he came across a stree. Striyam ajagama. Ajagama means he came across a stree. Then so that the stree is described. Bahushobhamana. She was very effulgent. And Uma, her name was Uma. Haimavati. So her description, Haimavati, means she had lot of gold. That is one interpretation of Haimavati. She had lot of hema. Therefore Haimavati. Another interpretation of Haimavati is Himavataha Duhita Haimavati. The daughter of Himavat. Himavan means the daughter of Himalaya. It is another meaning of Haimavati. So saha tasmin eva akashe bahushobhamanam umam haimavatim striyam ajagama. Then Indra asked her, Tamha uvacha. Indra asked Uma, who appeared there, Kimetadyakshamiti. What this yaksha is? Indra asked Uma. See the Bhashya. Atha Indramiti.
Atha Indramiti.
अथ इंद्रमब्रुवन् मघवन् एतद्विजानीहि इत्यादि पूर्ववत्. So अथ इंद्रम इति, this is प्रतीक ग्रहण. अथ इंद्रम अब्रुवन्, then they told Indra, Maghavan, हे Maghavan, O Indra, एतद्विजानीहि इत्यादि पूर्ववत्. एतद्विजानीहि etc. should be understood like before. Indraha Parameshwaraha Maghava Balavatvat Tatheti तदभ्यद्रवत्
तदभ्यद्रवत्
तस्मात्
तस्मात्
इन्द्रात्
इन्द्रात्
आत्मसमीपं गतात्
आत्मसमीपं गतात्
तद्ब्रह्म
तद्ब्रह्म
तिरोदधे
तिरोदधे
तिरोभूतम्
तिरोभूतम्
इन्द्रस्य
इन्द्रस्य
इन्द्रत्वाभिमानः
इन्द्रत्वाभिमानः
अतितरां निराकर्तव्य इति
अतितरां निराकर्तव्य इति
अतः
अतः
संवादमात्रमपि
संवादमात्रमपि
नादात्
नादात्
ब्रह्म इन्द्राय
ब्रह्म इन्द्राय
इन्द्रः इन्द्रः मीन्स परमेश्वरः परमेश्वरः मीन्स the Lord of the Devatas, that way Parameshwara, the Supreme Lord of Devatas. Maghava, he has another name, Maghava, and the word Maghava means he has lot of power. Balavatvat, Balavatvat Maghava. There is a derivation of Maghava. We will see that in the Siddhanta Kaunadi. Maghava, Maghavan Shabda will come. Tatha iti. Then Indra said, let it be so. Tad abhyadravat. Then Indra went near Yaksha. But Yaksha did not even speak to Indra, because Yaksha wanted to snub Indra and destroy his ego, his pride, because Indra thinks I am great. So, Tasmat Indrat, from that Indra, Atma Samipam Gatat, who came to Yaksha. Here Atma refers to Yaksha. Atma Samipam Gatat, who came to himself, who came near himself. Tat Brahma Tirodadhe, this Brahma Tirodadhe, Tirodadhe means Tirobhutam, disappeared. And what was Yaksha's intention behind this disappearance? Bhashyakara explains. Indrasya Indratvaabhimanaha. Indra has Indratvaabhimana. I am a great person. I am the Lord of all the Devatas. This is Indratva Abhimana. And this Indratva Abhimana should be destroyed. Atitaram Nirakartavya. So, it should be definitely destroyed. So, Atitaram Indratva Abhimana. Atitaram can be connected with Indratva Abhimana. He has great pride. And it should be Atitaram, or Atitaram can be connected with Nirakartavya also. It should be definitely Nirakartavya. Ityataha, because of this reason, Sammadamatramapi Nadat Brahma Indraya. Brahma Indraya Sammadhamatram api na adat. Brahma did not give even samvada, even conversation to Indra. Tadyaksham yasminnakashe akasha pradeshe आत्मानं दर्शयित्वा
आत्मानं दर्शयित्वा
तिरोभूतं
तिरोभूतम्
इन्द्रश्च
इन्द्रश्च
ब्रह्मणः
ब्रह्मणः
तिरोधानकाले
तिरोधानकाले
यस्मिन्नाकाशे आसीत्
यस्मिन्नाकाशे आसीत्
सः इन्द्रः
सः इन्द्रः
तस्मिन्नेवाकाशे
तस्मिन्नेवाकाशे
तस्थौ.
तस्थौ.
So now he is explaining saha tasminnevakashe, that portion, and to complete the sentence he supplies tasthau, tadyaksham, that yaksha, yasmin akashe, yasmin akashe, yasmin akasha pradeshe, in which region of space atmanam darshayitva tirobhutam, yaksha presented himself and disappeared. Atmanam darshayitva tirobhutam indrascha brahmanas tirodhanakale yasminnakashe asit. Indra also, Brahmanaha tirodhanakale, during the disappearance of Brahman, in which Akasha Indra stood. Saha Indraha tasminneva akashe tasthau. Tasminneva akashe, in the same place. Indraha tasthau, Indra stood. He did not go away. Kim tadyakshamithi
किं तद्यक्षमिति
ध्यायन्
ध्यायन्
न निवव्रते
न निवव्रते
अज्ञादिवत्
अज्ञादिवत्
तस्य
तस्य
इन्द्रस्य यक्षे.
इन्द्रस्य यक्षे.
We will stop here. Kim tadyakshamithi ध्यायन् तस्थौ. So how did he stand there? How did he stayed there? He meditated on Indra. Kim tadyaksham iti dhyayan. Here dhyayan means thinking. Just thinking. Kim tadyaksham iti dhyayan. Thinking what that yaksha is. He did some thinking. He was curious. He was just thinking what that yaksha is. Na nivavrate, he did not return. Agnyadivat, Agnyadivat na nivavrate. Unlike Agni etc., he did not return. Tasya
तस्य
Indrasya
इन्द्रस्य
yakshe bhaktim buddhva
यक्षे भक्तिं बुद्ध्वा
vidya
विद्या
umarupini
उमारूपिणी
pradurabhut
प्रादुरभूत
स्त्रीरूपा.
स्त्रीरूपा.
तस्य इंद्रस्य यक्षे भक्तिं बुद्ध्वा. So Uma is Vidya. Umarupini Vidya. So Bhashyakara says this Stree who appeared, she is none other than Brahma Vidya itself. So Vidya Umarupini, Vidya, Brahma Vidya, who took the form of Uma, Umarupini, Stree Rupa, who had a female form, Pradurabhut, appeared. And why she appeared? Tasya Indrasya Yakshe Bhaktim Buddhva Pradurabhut. Having understood the bhakti, the devotion that Indra had towards Yaksha. Indra was a bhakta. So Indrasya yakshe bhaktim buddhva, understanding that Indra had devotion to yaksha. Vidya umarupini pradurabhut, स्त्री रूपा सह इंद्रः
सह इन्द्रः
ताम उमां बहुशोभमानां सर्वेषां हि शोभमानानां शोभनतमां विद्यां तदा बहुशोभमानेति विशेषणम् उपपन्नं भवति हैमवतीं हेमकृताभरणवतीं इव बहुशोभमानामित्यर्थः। सह इंद्रः, सो सह इंद्रः तां बहुशोभमानां उमां हैमवतीं So the sentence is not complete. The completion will happen later on. But before that, Bhashyakara is explaining that Uma, Saha Indraha, that Indra, Tam Uma, that Uma, and Uma has an adjective Bahushobhamanam. Sarvesham hi Shobhanatamam. Bahushobhamana means Sarvesham hi Shobhanatama. She was Shobhanatama, most splendorous among all, most brilliant among all. सर्वेषां हि शोभमानानां शोभनतमां. सर्वेषां शोभमानानां, all that is brilliant, she is shobhanatama, most brilliant. That kind of Uma. And Shankaracharya says this Uma is Vidya, Vidyam. Vidyam is not there in the Moola, but Bhashyakara says it is Vidya. How does he know it is Vidya? Bhashyakara himself says only when it is Vidya it can be Bahushobhamana. The Visheshana Bahushobhamana implies that it is Vidya. Tada Bahushobhamana iti Visheshanam upapannam bhavati. Tada means only when it is Vidya. Bahushobhamana iti Visheshanam upapannam bhavati. This Visheshana Bahushobhamana becomes meaningful, reasonable, because the most brilliant one is Vidya. हैमवतीं हेमकृताभरणवतीं इव बहुशोभमानाम् इत्यर्थः. हैमवतीं. So one interpretation he gives Hemakrita Abharanavatים. She has golden ornaments. But Vidya itself cannot have golden ornaments. Therefore Bhashyakara says as though she has golden ornaments. She is Bahushobhamana, very splendid, like a woman who has many golden ornaments. Hemakrita abharanavatим iva bahushobhamanam ityartha. So, Haimavatim explains bahushobhamana. So, Hemakrita abharanavatim iva, as though she has many golden ornaments. She is bahushobhamana ityartha. This is the implied meaning of Haimavati. So this is one interpretation where she takes Uma to mean Brahma Vidya. Or he gives another interpretation. You don't have to take Vidya. You don't have to take the meaning Vidya. Instead, you can understand it as Uma herself, Parvati herself. Parvati herself appeared. Even that is a proper interpretation. Athava Uma eva Himavato duhita Haimavati Nityameva Sarvajnena Ishvarena Sahavartate iti Jnatum samartheti krutva Tam upajagama. So, athava or Uma eva, Uma herself, not Vidya. Uma herself means Parvati. Himavato duhita Haimavati. In that sense, Himavato duhita Haimavati. So, this Haimavati can be given another derivation. Daughter of Himavat. Himavat Shabda. Himavan in masculine. Prathama Ekavachanam, it will become Himavan. The Shabda is Himavat. So, Himavataha apatyam stri Haimavati. So, Himavato duhita Haimavati. She was the one who was there. So, and how? So, in the Bhashyakara says, Indra approached Haimavati. Indra approached Uma, who came there. So, here, Ajagama, Bhashyakara takes Upajagama, approach. Indra approached Uma. Why Indra approached Uma? Because Indra thought that Uma can tell what this Yaksha is. And how did Indra know that Uma can tell about Yaksha? Bhashyakara says, Nityameva sarvajnena Ishvarena sahavartate iti. Indra knows that Uma, Parvati, is always with Ishvara, who is Sarvajna. Therefore, Jnatum Samartha, she is capable of knowing anything because she is in association with the Sarvajna Ishvara. Iti krutva, thinking so, Tam Upajagama. Ajagama is equal to Upajagama. Indra approached Uma. So Indra stood in the same place. Then he felt that he has to go to someone. He cannot find out the Yaksha himself. Then he thought Uma is the right person to whom he can go. Then he goes to Uma. So you can take Uma comes there also. But Bhashyakara does not say that way. Bhashyakara says he went to Uma. Uma Striyam Ajagama means Striyam Upajagama. He approached Uma. So it is like a Guru Pasadam to know Brahman. Indraha Tamha Umam Kila Uvacha Papracha Bruhi Kimetat Darshayitva Tirobhutam Yakshamiti Indraha Tamha Umam Kila Uvacha. So Indra asked Yaksha, sorry Uma, Indraha Tam Uma, that Uma, Ha is equal to Kila, Vrittartha Smaran. The Shruti is as though remembering what happened in the past. Uvacha means Papracha, asked. Bruhi kimetad darshayitva tirobhutam yakshamiti. What is this yaksha who appeared and disappeared? Darshayitva tirobhutam. The yaksha who darshayitva, showing himself, tirobhutam, disappeared. What is this yaksha? Please tell me. Bruhi iti. He asked Uma. So here, if it is Vidya Paksha, then the Vidya appeared in front of him. Like that you have to understand. Or if it is Uma, then Indra approached Uma, went there. So Vidya Pradurbhabhu. Vidya appeared in front of him and then he approached the Vidya and asked. Or if it is Uma, you can also understand. Uma did come, he went to Uma and asked. So, then Uma answers Indra's question. Sa brahmeti hovacha brahmano va etad vijaye mahiyadhvam iti tatoha eva vidanchakara brahmeti Sa Brahma iti ha uvacha. Sa Uma told it is Brahman. Sa uvacha, she told what Brahma iti, it is Brahman. And she further said, Brahmano va etad vijaye mahiyadhvam. Brahmanaha vai vijaye. Brahmanaha vijaye. In the victory of Brahman, etad mahiyadhvam, you are reveling, you are enjoying this glory of yours. Etad it is Kriya Visheshana. Etad Mahiyadvam. You are enjoying your glory in this manner. Itiha uvacha. Tatoha eva vidanchakara brahmeti. So Indraha tataha eva. Tataha means umavakyadeva. Tataha is equal to tasmat umavakyadeva. From the words of the Uma only, Indra understood it is Brahman. Brahma iti vidanchakara. Indra understood that it is Brahman. Sa brahmeti hovacha.
Sa brahmeti hovacha.
Sa brahma itiha uvacha. She told it is Brahman. Hakila.
Hakila.
Brahmanaha.
Brahmanaha.
Ishwarasya eva vijaye.
Ishwarasya eva vijaye.
Ishwarena iva.
Ishwarena iva.
Jitaha.
Jitaha.
Asuraha.
Asuraha.
Yuyam.
Yuyam.
Tatra nimittamatram.
Tatra nimittamatram.
Tasyaiva vijaye.
Tasyaiva vijaye.
Yuyam.
Yuyam.
Mahiyatvam.
Mahiyatvam.
Mahimanam prapnutha.
Mahimanam prapnutha.
Sa brahmeti hovacha. She said it is Brahman. Ha kila. Ha means kila. So ha indicates that it is something that happened in the past. Once again, Arthartha Smrana. Brahmanah Ishwarasya eva vijaye. Yuyam mahiyadvam. Mahimanam prapnutha. Brahmanah Ishwarasya eva vijaye. Brahman means Ishwara. On the victory of Ishvara. The victory belongs to Ishvara. Yuyam mahiyadvam. You are enjoying your glory. Mahiyadvam is equal to Mahimanam prapnutha. You have attained this glory. And it is explained, Ishwarasya eva vijaye is being explained. Ishwarena eva jitaha asuraha. The asuras were conquered by Ishvara only. Yuyam tatra nimittamatram. Yuyam, all of you, the devatas, tatra nimittamatram. You are just a nimitta, just a pretext, just an instrument, not even instrument. Nimitta means just an apparent cause, just an apparent cause, not the real cause. Nimitta matram. Tasyaiva vijaye yuyam mahiyadvam. And all of you have attained this glory. Mahimanam prapnutha. You attain this glory because of the victory of Ishvara only. Etat iti kriya visheshanam. Etat iti kriya visheshanartham. Kriya visheshanartham. Kriya visheshanartham. Etad. There is etad vijaye mahiyadvam. Etad is kriya visheshanartha. It should be understood as kriya visheshan. Etad means in this manner you have attained your glory. मिथ्याभिमानस्तु
मिथ्याभिमानस्तु
युष्माकम्
युष्माकम्
अस्माकमेवायम्
अस्माकमेवायं
विजयः
विजयः
अस्माकमेवायम् महिमा इति.
अस्माकमेवायं महिमा इति.
So the devatas thought earlier, अस्माकमेवायं विजयः अस्माकमेवायं महिमा. The devatas had this thinking, this is our victory, this is our glory. And Uma says, Yushmakam mithyabhimanaha. This thinking, अस्माकमेवायं विजयः अस्माकमेवायं महिमा इति. This is युष्माकं मिथ्याभिमानः. This is your false pride. It is not really correct. The real victory is that of the Dev, is that of Ishvara. Tataha
ततः
tasmat
तस्मात्
उमावाक्यात्
उमावाक्यात्
ह एव
स एव
विदाञ्चकार
विदाञ्चकार
ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
इति इन्द्रः
इन्द्रः
अवधारणात्
अवधारणात्
ततो ह एव इति
ततोह एव इति
न स्वातन्त्र्येण
न स्वातन्त्र्येण
ततो ह एव विदाञ्चकार ब्रह्मेति. This is the line in the Moola. Tataha means tasmat, from that, means Umavakyat, from the statement of Uma. Ha eva vidanchakara Brahma iti Indraha vidanchakara. Indra understood it is Brahman. So tataha ha eva is there. Ha eva means only. Ha as well as eva together mean only from the statement of Uma. It is called avadharana. Avadharana means when you say only from something, only this, it excludes all other things. It is avadharanam, ascertaining, restricting to one certain thing with the exclusion of others. It is avadharana. So, ha eva iti avadharanat, tato ha eva iti avadharanam. There is avadharanam, and the avadharanam is done by ha and eva. And what does it signify? Na swatantriyena. Indra did not understand by himself. Only from Umavakya he understood. So this implies that one cannot get Brahma Vidya oneself, one has to go to a Guru. तस्माद्वा एते देवाः
तस्माद्वा एते देवाः
अतितराम् इव
अतितराम् इव
अन्यान् देवान् यत् अग्निवायुरिन्द्रः ते ह्येनत् नेदिष्ठं पस्पृशुः ते ह्येनत् प्रथमो विदाञ्चकार ब्रह्मेति यत् अग्निः वायुः इन्द्रः ते ह्येनत् नेदिष्ठं पस्पृशुः ते ह्येनत् प्रथमो विदाञ्चकार ब्रह्मेति. So he is there in two places. He enam nedishtham pasprashuhu and he enat prathamo vidanchakara brahmeti. So he means yasmat, since, and it corresponds with tasmat in the beginning of the mantra. So he, yasmat, te means Agnihi, Vayuhu, Indraha. Agni, Vayu and Indra. Enat nedishtham pasprashuhu. They touched the Brahman with great proximity. Nedishtham, with the greatest proximity. They touched Brahman. Means they came to a proximate contact with Brahman. And how was it? Te hena prathamo vidanchakara brahmeti. Tehi Agni, Vayu and Indra. Enat, this Brahman, this Yaksha, this Brahman. Prathamo vidanchakara. Prathamaha. Here Prathamaha and Vidanchakara are in singular. They should be converted into plural. Prathamaha Vidanchakruhu. Vidanchakara will become Vidanchakruhu. Prathamaha means Pradhana Santaha, being prominent. Being prominent. Vidanchakruhu, they understood Brahmeti, that it is Brahman. Tasmat, therefore, ete devaha, these devatas. Who are these devatas? Yat Agnihi, Vayuhu, Indraha. Agni, Vayu and Indra. Anyan devan atitaram iva. They definitely excel. Atitaram iva. Here iva does not mean like, as though. Iva means definitely, verily, avadharana. So, Anyan devan atitaram iva. They definitely surpass other devatas. They are superior to other devatas. So see the bhashya. Yasmat.
Yasmat.
The he, there are two he in the mantra. Bhashyakara brings it and gives the meaning Yasmat. Agni, Vayu, Indraha, ete devaha. Agni, Vayu, Indra, these devatas. Brahmanaha, Samvada Darshanadina. Samvada, Darshana, etc. By means of Samvada, conversation, Darshana, seeing, vision, etc. Adina. Samipyam upagataha. They went close to Brahman. They went near Brahman. Tasmat. Therefore, Aishwarya gunaihi atitaram iva. We have read this. Yasmat.
Yasmat.
Agni Vayu Indraha.
Agni Vayu Indraha.
Ete devaha.
Ete devaha.
Brahmanaha.
Brahmanaha.
Samvada darshanadina.
Samvada darshanadina.
Samipyamupagataha.
Samipyamupagataha.
Tasmat.
Tasmat.
Aishwarya gunaihi.
Aishwarya gunaihi.
Atitaram iva.
Atitaram iva.
Shakti gunadi.
Shakti gunadi.
Mahabhagyaihi.
Mahabhagyaihi.
Anyan devan.
Anyan devan.
Atitaram.
Atitaram.
Atishayena sherate iva.
Atishayena sherate iva.
Ete devaha.
Ete devaha.
इव शब्दः
इव शब्दः
अनर्थकः
अनर्थकः
अवधारणार्थो वा
अवधारणार्थो वा।
So why these devatas are great? Bhashyakara initially explains with his own words before he explains the reason given in the Shruti itself. Yasmat, since Agni, Vayu, Indraha, these three devatas, ete devaha, Brahmanaha Samvada Darshanadina, because of Samvada, dialogue, Darshanam, seeing, Adi, etc. Samipyam upagataha, Brahmanaha Samipyam upagataha. They went close to Brahman. Tasmat, therefore, Aishwarya Gunaihi, with their Aishwarya Guna, their Guna in the form of Aishwarya, in the form of overlordship. So Aishwarya Gunaihi, Aishwaryam eva Gunaha Aishwarya Gunaha. So, or Aishwaryancha Gunascha Aishwarya Gunaha Taihi Aishwarya Gunaihi. Aishwarya, their overlordship, as well as their other qualities, other noble qualities, like dharma, etc., like jnana, vairagya, dharma, etc. Atitaram eva. So Aishwarya Gunaihi is explained. Shakti Gunadi Mahabhagyaihi. This is an explanation of Aishwarya Gunaihi. Shakti, their power, Gunadi and Guna, all other qualities. Adi Mahabhagyaihi. So these are Mahabhagyas, the glories, the greatness. Mahabhagya means the greatness, the glory in the form of gunas, in the form of various noble qualities, Shakti, power, Adi, etc. Shakti, Guna, Ityad. Shakti, Guna, Kriya, Kriya also, their actions also. Mahabhagyihi. Anyan Devan Atitaram. Atitaram is equal to Atishayena Sherate. They excel. Atishayena Sherate means they excel other devatas. Iva ete devaha. Ete devaha anyan devan atishayena sherate iva. Here iva should not be understood as though. They are as though better than other devatas. Then it will not become glorification. Therefore Bhashyakara says Iva Shabdaha Anarthakaha Avadharanartho va. The word Iva should be understood either as Anarthaka, meaningless, just as a filler it is mentioned, or Avadharanartho va, or it can be understood as Avadharanartha, for ascertaining that this alone is true, definitely so, verily so, it is Avadhana. Only these three devatas are greater than other devatas. So who are those devatas? Yat Agnihi
Agnihi
Vayuhu
Vayuhu
Indraha
Indraha
ते हि देवाः
ते हि देवाः
यस्मात्
यस्मात्
येन ब्रह्मा
एनत् ब्रह्मा
नेदिष्ठम्
नेदिष्ठम्
अन्तिकतमम्
अन्तिकतमं
प्रियतमम्
प्रियतमं
पस्पृशुः
पस्पृशुः
स्पृष्टवन्तः
स्पृष्टवन्तः
यथोक्तैः
यथोक्तैः
ब्रह्मणः
ब्रह्मणः
संवादादिप्रकारैः
संवादादिप्रकारैः
ते हि यस्मात्
ते हि यस्मात्
च हेतोः
च हेतोः
येन ब्रह्मा
एनत् ब्रह्मा
प्रथमः
प्रथमः
प्रथमाः
प्रथमाः
प्रधानाः सन्तः
प्रधानाः सन्तः
इत्येतत्
इत्येतत्
विदाञ्चकार
विदाञ्चकार
विदाञ्चक्रुः
विदाञ्चक्रुः
इत्येतत्
इत्येतत्
ब्रह्म इति
ब्रह्म इति
यत् अग्निः वायुः इन्द्रः. So who are those devatas? Yat agnihi vayuh indra. Yat means ye, the devatas are, they are, yat means they are agnihi vayuh indra, these three. And why they became great, already Bhashyakara has told in his own words. Now he is explaining the reason given in the Shruti itself. He means yasmat, because te devaha, the devatas, these devatas, those devatas, Agni, Vayu and Indra, anya enad brahma nedishtham, nedishtham means antikatamam. Antika plus ishthan pratyay becomes nedishtham. Antikatamam, very closely means very dearly. Priyatamam, with great dearness, great love. Priyatamam means with great love, greatest love. So closeness means having love, that is closeness. Therefore Antikatamam is equal to Priyatamam, with the great love, with the greatest. Compared to other devatas, they had greatest. Enad Brahma Pasprashuhu. Pasprashuhu means Sprishtavantaha, they touched the Brahman. Touched means they gained contact with the Brahman. They gained association with the Brahman. How yathoktaih brahmanah samvadadi prakaraihi. So how did they get contact with the Brahman? Yathoktaih brahmanah samvadadi prakaraihi. Through the samvada etc. Through dialogue etc. with the Brahman, as mentioned here, as mentioned before. He, one more reason, he is equal to yasmacha also, because of another reason. Te yasmacha heto, because of another, this reason also. What is that reason? Tehi enad brahma prathamaha. They understood the Brahman prominently. Prathamaha is equal to Prathamaha. Bhashyakara changes it into plural. And here Prathama does not mean first. Prathama means Pradhana Santaha, being prominent. Being prominent in understanding. Prathamaha is equal to Prathamaha is equal to Pradhana Santaha ityetat. So Prathamaha ityartha ityasya Pradhana Santaha ityartha. Being prominent. Vidanchakara. Vidanchakara is equal to Vidam Chakruhu ityetat. Vidhan Chakara should be understood as Vidhan Chakruh. Singular should be converted into plural. They understood prominently. Etat Brahma, this Brahman. Therefore, they became greater than other devatas. And so this is all glorification of Brahma Vidya. And one more mantra where Indra excels even other two devatas. It is being told. We'll see tomorrow. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.